remember him. Anyway, he let me borrow it so I can go to Toks at a new nightclub. Nightclub? We sit on the University of Alabama and trip. Hush. So I'm just gonna make sure the phone is hung up and Bill is not still on the line.
We dodge trolleys, play stickball, dance choreographed numbers. Yeah, okay, so my knowledge of New York is timeless musical. So what? I'll be home by
Stop.
5. Don't leave the house. Don't answer the door. Don't answer the phone. Don't.
Around where? Around where we was. What's with all the questions? You should hear the questions I had to answer about what I was wearing to a political rally. She was the same way with... Hello, officer. My name is Lily Williams.
But he also told me to always look adults in the eye when I spoke to him. You got me in a spin cycle, Dad.
Yeah,
Must have left my kid inside. You know, so I'm like... I felt bad for him. Lord knows I knew what it was like to be teased. Should I say something? Should I tell him just to ignore it? Get back here, you little punks! No, he got this. Give me the slipper. Give me a slipper! Thanks again. Dean, give Lonnie back his wardrobe. Let's go. Bill, can I offer you some dinner? Oh, I don't know. What's that? I was actually screaming because I saw a roach so big it should have been paying rent. But I'm glad that... Bill, I was just playing these cats a song and wrote especially for you. Well, let me hear what you have. All right. I'd have to say it was the best summer ever. But Daddy could tell it was time to pack our bags and go home. Yeah, pack your bags. We're going home. Houston, we're coming home. Boy, stop talking to yourself and let's go. Sorry. I do feel bad for cheating on him.
I'm cheating on him. I'm his girlfriend. This is his friend.
His best friend, but okay, whatever.
Up until 3 months ago, he thought cheating was cheating. Y'all are such a good influence on me. I mean that. In fact, if I'm gonna turn my life around, I gotta be closer to y'all.
Wait, what?
I'll move to Montgomery. My own apartment.
How much is gonna cost me?
Nothing. This is one that... This guy from very different backgrounds. He would never introduce me to his friends. I wanted him to take me to his country club, but of course that was out. Who has put me on the path to righteousness. You know, Satan has been very busy in my life. Yes, he has. Now, fall. Please, Claire. I want you. Jackie, I thought you were giving up alcohol on your path to righteousness. It's a grasshopper, just a milkshake with a little kick to it. Be cool.
Be cool? That's my thing. Oh, my thing, be cool. Come on, I'm gonna say be cool. Long time no see, man.
Hey, Roger Klein. I haven't seen you since I got back from New York. Or Kisa. I haven't seen Kisa either. How great is that?
I'm taking Casey to get ice cream. You wanna come?
And be a third wheel? No, sir. What? You two have fun and don't do anything I want to do. Maybe people like you and me, people who feel really deeply, maybe we just make things a little more complicated than they need to be. You think I'm doing it? Yeah. Look, I get how exciting forbidden fruit is. But maybe you're better off being honest with your friend. Then you could have a real relationship with that girl. Like you deserve.
Anybody know what a stable boy does when he's not kissing?
Bill, I told you don't have to drive me to the station.
I do if I want to save $4 on cab fare.
Again, I am sorry. Lillian, stop apologizing. I know your heart was in the right place. No, it wasn't. I always said to myself that you would never change. But then, when you actually tried to change, turns out I'm the one who couldn't change. I always just thought of you as black.
Daddy, can I talk to you about something? Daddy, how do I...
100 moon cycles later, things had... Finally, it was practice time, where we would all get the chance to prove our mettle. We would just have to wait to prove it after the first, second, and third.
We all look cool. If we all look cool, then that means...
Got it.
Okay.
I didn't know whether to be happy Norman didn't get killed or upset that I planned to help the team and actually make things much worse. No, not Professor Williams. Lillian. Turns out he got to mess with my girl, so he needs the pet. Let me get the first thing, then you guys can pile on and have at it. All right, break legs on 3. 1, 2.
It wasn't Norman, it was me.
What? Perfect family home, am I right? Here's one of the pals. You can't beat the price, that's right. Hi, welcome to the open house.
Then I'd be your father.
Whoa. That's a little too far, man.
You should take that back, Dee.
Why?
Could happen. Take it back, Dee. Honestly, Bradley, this is none of your concern. Thanks for telling me. I'm so disappointed.
Trust me, I get it. We were the first Jewish family to move into the neighborhood, and what we went through, you don't want to know.
Well,
Our families proceeded to have a wonderful...
I said, what I look like giving up today, when tomorrow might be the day I win.
Not saying I'm the best at what I do. I'm just saying that
I've already took my bath, but I'm not going to tell her. So she can have a way. Things I do to save this marriage.
What Edgar Allan Poe is illuminating here is the overwhelming guilt the murderer feels, as well as the...
Why'd you do it? Tell me. Why did you do it?
did anyone see a dead old lady standing at the front of class? You mean other than a teacher?
Dean, you need to let this go, man. It's only your head.
I know, but you don't think God killed Sister Henderson because of me?
I'm pretty sure God doesn't work that way.
Yes, he does. God kills people all the time. Just read the Bible. I really don't want to go to hell for this.
I don't see any way you won't.
Dean, there's only one way to make up for what you did. Seek guidance from a higher power.
Well, I guess that's as good as it's going to get tonight. If Jesus hadn't already died for your sins, that last one would have killed him. I'll see you all at the next rehearsal on...
Mother Williams, can I interrupt for a quick second? I took the liberty of passing.
So my suggestion is for you to take over as choir director.
Mother Williams, no one wants that. We were just merely suggesting.
Took your class to the museum all by herself. Well, that was because she had told all the parents that they weren't qualified to chaperone the children. Their own children. I remember like that. And that time she did all the baking for the school's bake sale, she had told all the mothers that their food wasn't fit for flies like ghosts.
Maybe spare flies and goats in a good way.
Look, there are a lot of disgruntled choir members who wanted to have their voices heard. So I owe it to them to try to make this work.